Roll over. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl. Good girl. Maddie, come here. Sit. Down. Stay. Roll over. Okay, you can go that way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl. Down. Stay. Good girl. Roll over. Roll over. Keep going. Keep going.
Yay! Good girl.
Girl. Can you shake? Good shake. Good girl. Ready? Start chewing. Roll over. Down. Stay. Roll over.
You should definitely teach her crawl soon.
She starts doing it down. Down. Stay. Good girl. Okay, ready? Roll over. Roll over. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl.